Hello guys, welcome back. I know you people are trying to open bank account in UAE, but you cannot able to open because of there is minimum salary required. For example, if you go to any bank for open the bank account, and they will say that you should have this much minimum salary range, but maybe you don't have that much salary, so you cannot able to open the bank account. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to open bank account in UAE through online without any salary requirement. So let me show you how to do it. For that, first you have to install ADCB Hayak app from App Store or Google Play Store. Just search ADCB Hayak, and there you can see ADCB Hayak app. Just click on install, and I already installed on my iPhone, and there you can see the ADCB Hayak app installed. After that, just open ADCB Hayak app. Now you can see it's opened, and click on new user. And first window is asking register and scan documents. Here you have to enter your personal details. First your full name and your mobile number. Next email address. Next asking agent code, that's optional. Just click agree and confirm. And here asking communication preferences, so you have to choose whatever you like. I just select my options and click confirm. And here is asking personalized experience, so there is two options: offer me personalized experience or I am not interested. I just click I am not interested. You can choose whatever you like. Next, confirm the mobile number. Click on send OTP. Now you will receive OTP from ADCB. Just enter that OTP. Now the mobile number is verified, and here you have to choose the account type. There is you can see current or saving account. There is two options: conventional and Islamic. You can choose whatever you like. I just choose conventional and click on proceed. Next, it will show the procedure. First is scan your identity documents, then personalize your account, then get your welcome pack. After that, your account is ready to use. Click start now, and here you have to choose your employment status and enter your monthly salary here. After that, click continue, and it will warn you like please note that the monthly salary indicator must match the salary certificate issued by the employer and can be verified on request. So then you have to click on I understand, and here you have to choose your education qualification, and your marital status, and your company name. Then the company industry, If you cannot find your company industry, then you can choose others. And your job function. And date of joining. And click on I here verify the information above is true. Click continue. And make sure that your passport and your Emirates ID and a clear picture of your signature is ready, and then click proceed. Click OK. First you have to scan your passport, the front page of your passport, and click on confirm. Then you have to scan your Emirates ID front and back side. Click on confirm. Next you have to click and capture your signature and click on confirm. Now the first step is completed. Step 2, personalize your experience. First window, self-declaration. If you hold a US passport or US permanent residence card, you can click on I hold a US passport or US permanent residence card. Otherwise, click on I do not hold a US passport or US permanent residence card. Next window, you have to choose your country of birth. And type city of birth. And select your country of tax residency. And next it's asking, do you have your taxpayer identification number? If you are, click yes, otherwise click on no. And reason for not having the TIN, you can select the reason. There is 2 options showing: country does not issue the TIN or unable to obtain or disclose a TIN. Select your reason for not having the TIN. Click on continue. Next window is showing like what you selected before. Just click on continue. Next window, please select your account preference. That means what purpose you are going to use this account. There is 4 options: salary transfer, saving, investment, and loan and financing. So you can choose all the options, or you can choose the specific option. For me, I just select saving only. And click on confirm. And next window is asking, please tell us how you would like your name to appear on your card. So you can check the name on the card. If you want to change, just click tap and you can change, and you have to check that box and click on confirm. And next window, please tell us how often you will use this account. You can choose your limit. There is 3 options: frequently, very frequently, and you can define your own usage. And now the step 2 is completed. Step 3, receive welcome pack. Here you have to enter your home address, first villa number or flat number, next building name or number, next street or area, next select your city, and select your emirate. Click on submit. Next, enter your office address, first field office number, next building name or number, next street or area name, next select your city, select Emirates, then click submit. And next window showing select the delivery preference. There's 2 options: doorstep delivery and pickup at a branch. You can choose your choice. I just choose doorstep delivery. And here you have to choose the delivery location, home or office. And click proceed. And here then you cannot change the pickup location, so click on proceed. And next window, the account confirmation. You have to check the details which is you entered before, then click on confirm. Now the step 3 is completed. Now your account is ready to use, and there you can see your customer ID and account number and IBAN number. Also you will get one email and SMS with the same information. And click on continue. And here it will show welcome to the world of ADCB. Your account is open. Click on view dashboard. And it will go to your account dashboard. There you can see your welcome kit is ready for delivery. Wait for delivery at your work address. Now let us see how to activate and use the account using ADCB Banking application. For that, install the ADCB application from Apple Store or Google Play Store. Just search ADCB. then click on ADCB and install. Now the application started installing. Now the installation is completed. After that, just open this ADCB application. Now you can see it's opened and welcome screen. Just click start, and here you can see register with two options: card number or customer ID. Just select customer ID because you still not received the card. For customer ID, you just go to your SMS list. There you can find your customer ID. Just enter that customer ID here. Click on next and enter your activation key here. That also you can go to your SMS list. There you can find your activation key. Enter your activation key here. Click next. Now enter your password here, and the password must be minimum 8 characters and must contain alphabets and numbers. So you have to enter your password. And confirm the password here. Click on next. Now you can see the activation is completed, and you will receive email and SMS from ADCB for that. And for login, you have to enter the password, which is you just created before. And click on login. Now you enter to the ADCB banking application, and you can enjoy the banking with the ADCB. That's it.